Good evening, everybody. My name is Mohamed Kamara, and I am here presenting for Inovcares. We're a consumer health management platform. Some of the issues that precede in healthcare is price concern for consumers. When you yourself, as a patient, want to see a provider, it's very time-consuming. You go through all these hurdles of scheduling, so it's a big concern. Another concern for patients is the commute it takes to go see this provider, right? Another thing that's very hard for that's challenging for companies as well is engaging with the patients. Providers have that concern. When I go see the patient, I've seen the doctor now, adherence, right? How do I make sure that that patient follows what I tell them? We tend to not follow nutrition advice. We tend to not follow exercise advice. We just go and then there's no follow through. Oftentimes that leads to a lot of problem. So we created this platform. It's a web and mobile benefits wellness platform where users are empowered to manage and take charge of their health in one location. And the benefits of that is it allows them to save money by comparing prescriptions on the platform, buy prices. It also allows the patient to be able to earn rewards as they stay active. So I have certain points that I'm hitting my fitness goal. You get rewards, right? You get partnered up with. I can redeem those rewards at nearby partners. So it engages the patient. Another thing is the provider make money too, right? So the provider can do telemedicine services, and they can see the patients via telemedicine. So it's a win-win from both the provider perspective and as well as the patient perspective. There's already market validation in this industry. 33 states they have approval of telemedicine, and projections of 17 million are going to be utilizing this service. So from there, we did adopt. The industry itself is about $29.6 billion industry, 72 million, and we think that we can capture 5% of it. So at 5%, that's 3.6 million. The buyers in this space are patients, payers, and doctors. It's a two-sided market, so both markets have to be in place. So we work with doctors a lot, and we also work with the patients. We're trying to tap into the payers, which is the health insurance plans. And this is more of the example of the product. We can go into that later. The business model is we take 15% commission on each transaction, and this is our projections. Pricing model we want to tackle the corporate space as well. Standard price, advanced price, and individual price. I want us to get to traction. So we launched last year in 2018. We launched the web version. And we saw about 2,000 patients, 50 plus clinicians, and we're noticing some reoccurring as well, right, in postpartum and prenatal services. This is some of our competitors in the space. Our go-to-market strategy is we're partnering up with providers network, so those healthcare associations, and as well as good practices to launch the product. We're in the process of development of the app version itself. And this is my team. I'm the CEO, and we've got a chief medical officer, a tech guy, and a head of sales. Financial projections, we can address that later as well. But I wanted to share, this is a very impactful. So this is one of our patients last year. She logged onto the platform. She was having an infertility issue, and she talked to one of our provider, which is Dr. Nelson Alawodi. And fast forward, a month after, she texted me, hey, I'm pregnant, right? These are the things that really benefit us. These are the things that we look forward to, that we can help the community, right? So one of the biggest things for me is health equity. And so we want to make sure that we're managing that space. And this is another patient that we saw on the platform. He was having a weight issue. He got a nutritionist. And as well as, this is another patient here. But I'm going to open to questions because I'm off my limit. And I'll take questions from you, the judges.